Hi friends! It's December 1st and we are starting our countdown to Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So follow me every day for opening of my advent calendars. And I have 4 different ones. Actually, Charlotte Tilbury is only a 12-day one, but the rest of them are 24 or 25 days. We have Harrods in the back. We have Cult Beauty, and we have Space NK. Grab your coffee and let's get started. So we are opening number 1 today. So this is from Harrods. Let's see what they have in number 1. Okay. Remember, I have opened it before, but I don't remember all of it. So let's see. Okay, so this is actually from Laura Mercier. It's a Caviar mascara. And it looks like this. And yeah, it's black. I haven't tried this before. Let me have a look. Let's have a look and see how it looks like on the inside. So this is the wand. Yeah, that's going to be interesting to try. I have tried a few things from Laura Mercier, or a couple of things, and haven't tried this one before, so that's going to be exciting. So that was number 1 from Harrods. Number 1 from Cult Beauty is this one up here. Oh yeah, this is from Summer Fridays. Jet Lag Skin Soothing Hydration Mist. It's 50 ml, so that must be a full size actually. Oh, wow. This looks really nice. How it's spraying. Oh, nice. Yep, it's approved. That's really nice. Jet Lag Skin Soothing Hydration Mist from Summer Friday. That's another good one. So then, let's do Charlotte Tilbury. It's only 12, but let's start up with her as well. Oh, I like this packaging. Look at this. Looks so exclusive. And let's see, it's a full-size product, that's for sure. So it's a lip cheat, reshape and resize lip liner. Pillow Talk medium. That's a good one. Let's do one swatch here, and I can show it to you. Like that. And the last one. Oh, wow. I didn't remember this one. This is from Tatcha, the Brightening Serum. Oop, like this. This is a brightening and firming 12-hour time-release vitamin C plus ferulic acid. Massage 1 to 2 pumps onto skin morning and night. I always wanted to try something from Tatcha. Never tried anything from them before. So that's so exciting. Wow. To sum it up, we got the mascara from Laura Mercier, full size. That is also full size. Full size lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. And then the full size Jet Lag Skin Soothing Hydration Mist from Summer Fridays. I don't think, yeah, maybe it is a full size. This is 30 ml of Tatcha's the Brightening Serum. This is really serumy. Oh yeah, it has this vitamin C smell, but that's okay. It wasn't too bad. So that was the first opening of the advent calendars. So this was only day 1. And I have so much planned for the rest of the days. And there will also be some giveaways. I will not tell you when. But just watch my videos and hope you see you tomorrow. Only 23 days left for Christmas Eve. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.